Hi guys, I have this parcel from DARAZ. I'm going to review this today. So as you can see slightly from inside, it has Mehndi stencils, the Henna stencils that are like stickers. You stick them on your hand and then you fill some Mehndi in it and you get the design on your hand. So I had specially asked them for some designs, like they had 32 hands in this package, and it was supposed to be 16 designs, pairs of 16 designs. I really like two of those. One was with a peacock and one was with a chain. So I asked them to double those two designs, and I asked them to cancel two designs. I specified it and I marked it, and they said okay, it will be done. And the remaining how many 12 designs were supposed to be the same as they had shown in the ad. So let's see if I get the correct ones, because in reviews people had complained that they had sent like 3 designs and a repetition of those 3 designs. So let's see if they actually send me the correct thing or not. I think I'll need some scissors for this. I'll just go and grab them. Okay, so the parcel is open and we have these. I have counted these already. These are 16, like as they're supposed to be. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the peacock design I was talking about that I had asked them to double. 10, 11, 12. Okay, great. So they have sent me 2 of these as I asked. 13, 14. This is the chain design that I asked for. I asked them to double this as well. Let's see. 15 and 16. Perfect. So yes, they followed the instructions. They did double the designs that I asked for, and they have sent me the correct designs. The only thing that I think is disappointing a little is that it's very small, as you can see. Yeah, this is supposed to be going down to the wrist, as you can see, and this is supposed to be the end of the palm, right? But this entire thing is still smaller than my hand, and I have a pretty small hand, by the way. Like as compared to everyone else, all my friends, all my family, everyone, I have very small hands. So this is very tiny. I think this is like a children's size. So one thing is that I'll have to cut off the fingers and then paste them separately, because if I put it like this, it's going to not fit in properly. Same goes with the other designs. Yes, because then these fingers are going to come down somewhere here, so I'll have to cut them and paste them on top like that. And this peacock, like the tail was supposed to go down to the wrist, but I feel that this is going to fit in the palm only. So yeah, but however, I will review it on their DARAZ account, and I think I will give them 5 star for the fact that they follow the instructions, because I was very concerned about this particular design. I really like the peacock and I really like this. Like these are not very typical. These ones are like all floral and they will eventually look very similar to each other. But these are also like nice designs, not bad. So yeah, I also like this one, and my niece wanted this and my sister-in-law wanted a picky, like a bunch in the middle. So I think like we have something for everyone. It was a good buy. I would suggest, I would recommend it, and I'll see if I can find the link and I'll put it in the description. This is not a paid content. I don't know who the like seller is, and this is a very genuine review that I'm giving, and I will try to also make some videos of applying henna and like showing you the result. Okay, take care. Bye bye.